everybody, I hope you had a great spring break. I decided to kick off the week running with a science video. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating this Solubility Lab in which we are going to be dissolving potassium chlorate and something else in water. And what we're going to do is observe how temperature of the water will determine the saturation of the solute. I already did the tutorial, so I know what to do, so let's begin. So we have to do this really quickly because the water will lose or gain heat when we don't want it to. So we're going to take that, and we're going to take the thermometer, and we're going to record the initial temperature of the thermometer. And this is in degrees Celsius. So 4.9. And then we're going to start with the 5-gram scoop, and we're going to do this 5 times. Okay. And this was the 5-gram scoop, so there are 25 grams of I can't remember what this one is. Sorry, but so there's 25 grams, and now we're going to do 1 gram, 1 by 1, stirring in between each scoop. So that's 26 right there. And we're going to do this until the bottom of the glass fogs up. Alright. 27. Oops. That was 28. I'm sorry if my screen is a little bit wiggly. I have the zoom on all the way so I can see it better. I was having some troubles seeing the effects. That was 29. That was 30. There we go, and see, like that, the water has fogged up, so that was 30 grams. That was beaker A, and so you do that to beakers B, C, and D, and then we move on to the next lab, which is doing the same exact thing with a different solute. So yeah, I will be right back. Alrighty, so now that I've done that, I am on the next station where we'll be doing the same thing, except we'll be doing a different solvent. So yeah, same thing. We take the beaker from section A. We put the thermometer in. And again, 4.9. And then we're going to do 5 scoops. So 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll stir. And it looks like that it's fogged up. So I guess I need to put less in. I will be right back. Alrighty, so I guess I'll do 5 scoops at a time. And it looks like it's 5 fogged up. So let me try again. Zoom all the way over here. Put the thermometer in again, and then let's do the 1 scoop and see how that goes. Alright, so it's at the same temperature, 4.9, so 1 scoop. Stir. Alright, it hasn't fogged up. Oops. So we'll do 2 scoops. That didn't fog up. Oops, dang it. The controls on this thing is super wonky. Alright, I'll stir. There we go. And it has not fogged up yet. Alrighty. Alright, it doesn't look like it's fogging up, so will be the 5th scoop. Okay, so at the 5th scoop, that fogs up. So 5 grams. So you can totally tell the difference that whatever we put in the water before had a higher solution? I think, yeah. Here we go. Higher absorption than this one. So let's put that there, and then I hate using the magnifying glass, but I have a hard time telling whether it's fogged up or not. So 30.1, so the temperatures are probably going to be the same. Alright, I'm pretty confident that this will be able to withstand 5 scoops. So I'm going to use the 5 gram scoop this time. And then I will stir. Science experiment. And so, yeah, I'll keep on doing that, and I will be right back. Alright, after a little bit of trial and error, I was able to get all my measurements, and now we're on to the 3rd part of this experiment, where I take this and put it right there, and put the thermometer in, and this says 32 grams of solute. So now I check the temperature, and I check which of my measurements match up. So 79.4, and that's 32 grams. Okay, so I figured out what I'm supposed to do for this one. I made a tiny bit of mistake. So I'm supposed to wait for this beaker to cool down. And as soon as I see crystals form at the bottom of the beaker, I'm supposed to record the temperature. So this has a lot of waiting to do in this one. So yeah, so I will pause this video so that you don't have to wait with me, and then as soon as the crystals form, I will start this back up. Okay, so you can see in beaker B that there are crystals starting to grow, and that was at 64.8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 64.8 degrees Celsius. And now I have to wait until beaker A starts crystallizing up, and from there I will be able to find out which one is which. So I'll see you then. Alrighty, oops. So around, no! There we go. Around 38 degrees Celsius, this started, sorry, not 38, 37, around 37 degrees Celsius, this started crystallizing up. So 37, yeah, 37.4 degrees Celsius, and that was for the 32-gram solute. And so, based on those two measurements, I have figured out that beaker A is the first experiment. It has the stuff that we used in the first experiment, I think potassium chloride. And then the beaker B has something else. I can't remember. So yeah, there we go. That's the end of the lab. Again, I will leave the link in the description, and I hope you have a fun week. Bye!